Okay, so this is an unboxing video of the OEM Mounts phone holder for my Audi S3 8P. I assume this one will be the same for all of the A3 8P type vehicles. Just showing you the packaging here. It's made in the UK. Very friendly company. Had some good emails with them. Nice packaging and arrived nice and quickly as well. So you've got a few parts to it here. That's the actual main part that goes underneath your vents, and then you've got the sort of the ball and socket sort of kind of attachment there that you can use to angle your phone. And then you get two different magnets, very strong magnets actually. You can see they were stuck together in the packaging. You've got a round one you can stick on the back of your phone, or a rectangular one you can put underneath your phone case. They are CE marked, and then that's the next main part that attaches onto the mount. It's a little bit fiddly to get that bit on at first, but you do have to just kind of press it quite hard. Here I've done a second video. It's quite a firm press to get that ball and socket in, but you definitely know it's not coming out by accident again. And then you just use the thumb wheel then to tighten it up in whichever position you want. Obviously you can have it facing the driver or passenger side. It's basically got a 360-degree kind of rotation there. And then there's your different types of magnets. As you can see, they're very strong magnets, which you take quite some force to get off, so you know your phone's going to be pretty secure on there. And then again, that rectangular one, I think that one's for sort of putting behind cases if you've got a thin phone case. I'm actually demonstrating here because I'm using my phone to record the video, but I do have a phone case, just how it works. I already had a magnet installed on the back of my phone case. You can see it's very nice and simple system there. Okay, this is kind of the second part to my video. I'm going to install this OEM Mounts phone holder onto my dash. Should be fairly simple. The idea is it goes over these, underneath them, and then it's a magnet to stick your phone on. So my car, this car is the Audi A3 or S3 8P. I have actually installed the 8V, the newer air vents, so yours may look slightly different to that, but the concept's the same. I just put these in because I thought these looked a bit more modern and a bit better. So these should be fairly easy. You can just get your hands behind them and just pull them out. Yours may not come out as easy. As I said, these are different ones, so they are a slightly different fit. So it's kind of like a two-parter video really. I'm showing you how to install the phone holder and also how to change your dash vents as well, which is super easy. I mean, the factory ones were a bit firmer to come out. So you're left with a couple of holes, and I assume that will just fit over there. So if I install these back in the same place, that will just go in. Like that. I want to make sure that's nice and square. that will go in nicely. And then the same with that one, just line everything up how it was before. That actually goes in really well there. And the same with that one. And then just push them back in all the way, should go. These are slightly fiddly, there we go. That's perfect. And then just push that in, and that is very solid, and that mount is not going anywhere now. You can twist it to face either the passenger or the driver. Obviously most of you will face the driver. And then on the back, as I showed you in the first part of the video, you've got the little lock nut there to secure it in place. I'm actually using my phone to record this video. What I have got is I've actually got the Apple battery pack phone case, which is what I have my magnet stuck on. I already had a magnet, so I didn't use the one that came with it. But there you go, you can see it's just stuck on there. And that's it. Very, very cool. You can tilt it any direction, and that is very solidly on there. I just need to push them home more, but yeah. Well, there it is, all secured on the dash. I pushed in the vents slightly further and got them all nice and tight. It fits perfectly. I'm super happy that's going to be secure, and I think it looks brilliant as well. So yeah, big shout out to OEM Mounts. I did actually pay for the product. This wasn't given to me, so this is a genuine review. Very happy.